we'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT Plus account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website using your desktop browser. Once there, you'll see an option to sign up or log in at the lower left corner. If you're new to ChatGPT, click on the sign up button, fill in your email address, and create a secure password. You might be asked to verify your email before proceeding. Once verified, log into your account. Now to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually found in the top right. In the settings menu, look for the subscription section. Here, you should see an option to choose ChatGPT Plus. Click on it and follow the prompts to enter your payment details. Make sure you double check your information before confirming the subscription. Once you've completed the payment process, your account will be upgraded to ChatGPT Plus. You'll now have access to faster response times and priority access to new features. It's a simple process, but if you run into any issues, ensure your payment method is up to date and that you've entered all details correctly. ChatGPT Plus can enhance your experience significantly, so it's worth the upgrade. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.